Well, when I heard about BA and ATCS, I knew I was interested in computers and technology, so I figured I'd try out this academy, hopefully learn something more about the technology we've been using.
Well, we definitely start with a strong basis in Cisco. We start right away with easy things, subnet masking, IP, all those things, and then obviously we've progressed. We've gone through Cisco 1 through 4. We've done data voice and cabling, the Cisco program. We've done all the Microsoft certifications. And I think that has really been the basis for our learning.
Freshman year, we went building computers, taking apart printers, had to troubleshoot different things, where in a normal class I'd be doing Word or PowerPoint, how to do that.
Pretty much what our focus is studying the technology we have today in Java programming or Oracle, SQL, and also with Cisco, we're doing CCNA. So we're getting our certification to be network associates, and we've been doing that we're going to do that for 4 years. And so what we're studying is how computers work, how do we use them, how to network them, and how to sort of improve them.
I think the Java programming, we were able to understand the language and get the fundamentals down. And in AP Computer Science, we're doing a lot more algorithms and actually, I'd say, programming topics, where we're not just writing rules and writing methods, we're writing programs that can solve problems and do things.
I know the video conferencing, the Cisco conferencing, we've used a lot. We've used it in my lit class as well as Spanish, to conference with other schools, and we've talked to classrooms in Spain. We've talked to people at Hackensack Hospital, really all over the place.
I've also participated in NASA and between a NASA video conference with astronauts up in space, and we were doing what they were doing, different labs about how to build the space station where there's no gravity, so we had to learn how to sort of connect materials where there's no gravity, so we had to use different materials, and we had to program rockets to sort of accelerate pieces so they could connect without having to collide into each other.
Well, I did work over the summer, and we did do a lot with the Cisco phones. We set up we switched them all out on the entire network. And that was a cool experience because I got to see what it was really like to do that sort of job. And now that we have them, it's been very useful. All the teachers use them constantly. They use conferencing sometimes with that, set up speakerphone, and we talk to other teachers. And it certainly makes you appreciate the work that goes into it, because it was a lot of work to set the whole network up.
In my programming class, we participated in the International Java Programming Competition, and my team's program, which was we were supposed to make a text-based computer game that could fit on a cell phone's memory. We went to semifinals, and then also for ERD, which is Entity Relationship Diagramming, we were finalists there internationally.
It included coming up with an interface, writing some AI for Battleship and Tic-Tac-Toe, and we also had to make it look professional, have some documentation, and kind of present it as a product that you could kind of almost present to a manufacturer.
And I know that this has just reassured me that I made the right choice, and I do want to continue with networking and programming and computer science in general. And that's why I'm going to Stevens for the cybersecurity program that just opened up this year. It's basically a computer science program with a lot more math. It's much more advanced. It's a lot of cryptography, algorithms, things like that. It's really a very cool program that they just started. Only 7 kids are in it, so it should be very interesting.